These free indicators deliver incredible results and have the power to change the way you trade forever. They provide highly accurate entry and exit signals. And the most important thing is that they're easy to apply and understand. Guys, remember everything we learn in this video can be used across different markets. For example, Forex market, stock market, and indices. Alright, let's head on to the charts. But before we do so, don't forget to subscribe because it helps our team produce for you great content. As usual, I'm going to first share with you the indicators plus the entry strategies. Before I can show you the settings and how to optimize the indicators for better results, we shall load our first indicator, which we call the RSI. This is how it looks like on our charts. I'll share with you the optimal settings at the end. So let's load our second indicator, which we call the stochastic oscillator. This will help us determine the oversold and overbought levels. If prices are above this level, we consider that oversold. And below this level, we consider that overbought. So now let's load our last indicator, which is the 200 EMA. We simply use this to determine the market direction. Prices above the 200 EMA, we generally consider price to be in an uptrend. And if prices are below, we consider the market to be in a downtrend. You know, some may ask why the 200 EMA and not the other EMA. And the reason is most hedge funds around the world use 200 EMA. Alright, let's now look at how we can enter the trades. We shall start with the buy trade. For us to enter buy trade, 5 conditions have to be met. The first condition is price should be above the 200 EMA. The second one is we wait for a significant market correction. This is why we wait for a significant pullback towards the 200 EMA. The third condition is the correction should concurrently reach the overbought level on the stochastic oscillator. The fourth condition is the RSI should cross from below to above the 50 level to align with the main trend. The fifth condition is we enter the next candlestick after a cross of the RSI above 50. It should be noted that in order to improve the accuracy of this strategy, we wait for a trend line break before entry. For a sell trade, still 5 conditions have to be met. The first condition is prices should be below the 200 EMA. The second one is wait for a significant market correction towards the EMA. The third condition is the correction should concurrently reach the overbought level on the stochastic oscillator. The fourth condition is the RSI should cross from above to below the 50 level to align with the main trend. The fifth condition is we enter the next candlestick. So now guys, let's look at some illustrations. We shall begin with the buy trade. As you can see on this chart, the price is above the 200 EMA, meaning the first condition has been met. Then we add the correction towards the 200 EMA right here. Guys, at the same time, the stochastics were in an oversold condition, meaning the third condition has been met. At the same time, the RSI crossed from below to above the 50 level, meaning the fourth condition has been met. So we simply place our entry right here. Then our stop loss below the low, and we target a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3 depending on your risk appetite. As you can see, prices took off like crazy. Now let's flip onto the next chart and look at a sell illustration. As you can see, prices are below the 200 EMA, meaning our first condition has been met. Then we had a significant pullback to the 200 EMA. At the same time, the stochastics were in an overbought condition, meaning our third condition has been met. Then the RSI crossed from above to below the 50 level, aligning with the downtrend, meaning our fourth condition has been met. So we simply place our entry right here, our stop loss above the high, and we target a 1 to 2. As you can see, the trade worked out for you. Alright guys, now let me show you the optimal settings of the indicators. We shall begin with the RSI. So guys, get ready to test out these free indicators on your demo accounts. If you gain the confidence in them, then you can risk raw dollars. Okay, see you in the next one. As always, invest safe.